Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jeria and today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare my natural hair before installing my headband wig. So continue watching guys and let's start the video.
We just fall in love, you and I about to fall in love, you.
So starting off my hair preparation process, I'm pulling out my braids. Then I'm going to apply some olive oil kit cream to the lining of my hair just to have it looking relaxed. Reason being, I have 4C hair, so my hair lining is usually curly, and even after applying styling gel, my hair lining still appears to be curly, and I want my headband wig to look natural. So yes, I'm just going to apply a little relaxer to have my edges looking sleek and flat. So basically I'm mixing about 1 ounce of cream with the activator until it has a creamy consistency, just enough to cover the perimeter of my edges. So after applying the relaxer, I leave it on my edges for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to apply my Aussie Miracle Moist condition and shampoo for rinsing. So after conditioning my hair, I'm applying some icy leave-in hair and scalp treatment, and I've been using this treatment since high school, and it really works for me whenever I'm having any breakage or anything like that. This is what I use to treat my hair, and it does a good job. So after blow drying my hair, I'm going to braid it to the back, and of course I have to grease my scalp. I've been using this herbal hair tonic for over a year now, and it is growing my hair. It promotes strength, it promotes growth, and it promotes thickness. So now I'm down to the final process, which is to braid the hair, make my baby hair, and then just install the headband wig, which is very much easy to do, guys. So continue watching, and while watching, just leave a like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, for more videos. Continue watching. So I'm down to the fun part, and this is where I'm gonna install my bob curly kinky headband wig. So let's install this wig, guys. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And these are my go-to wigs for work because they are so easy to install. You just grab and go, wear and go. And I definitely recommend doing your edges, doing your baby hair. This gives your headband wig a more natural look. So I normally make my baby hair whenever I'm wearing my headband wigs to give it that flawless and natural look. So I applied some extra curl holding moves to define the curls and also to make my hair looking moist. So this is basically how I prepare and install my headband wig, guys. So leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.